Hey everyone, hand waving, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a health journey and trying to cut back on oil or go completely oil-free, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into zero-oil diet foods that are not only delicious and satisfying, but also super easy to prepare. Let's make eating clean and light feel effortless. You might be wondering, why go oil-free? Well, while some oils in moderation are healthy, many of us tend to overuse them, adding hundreds of hidden calories a day. A zero-oil diet helps with weight loss, improves heart health, and reduces inflammation. Plus, your digestion will thank you. Now let's get to the exciting part, zero-oil foods you must try. 1. Steamed veggie bowls. Steam up broccoli, carrots, beans, and cauliflower. Add lemon, herbs, and a pinch of pink salt. Boom, a flavorful, oil-free meal. 2. Moong dal, boiled lentils. A staple in Indian households. Boil it with turmeric, cumin, and coriander. No oil, still rich in protein and fiber. 3. Vegetable clear soup. Chop your veggies, simmer with garlic, ginger, and black pepper, and you've got yourself a warming, zero-oil detox soup. 4. Chickpea salad. Boiled chickpeas with chopped cucumber, tomato, onion, lemon juice, and herbs, crunchy, filling, and zero oil. 5. Oats with fruits. Cook oats in water or unsweetened almond milk. Top with banana, berries, or apple slices. Perfect for a clean breakfast. 6. Stuffed bell peppers, steamed or baked. Fill capsicum with mashed veggies or lentils and bake or steam. No oil, no problem, and they taste amazing. 7. Hummus, oil-free. Blend boiled chickpeas, lemon, garlic, and tahini. Use water or aquafaba instead of oil. It's creamy and perfect for dipping. So there you have it, 7 zero-oil foods that prove eating clean doesn't mean eating bland. Green heart, which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy living tips, and share it with someone who needs an oil-free boost today.